How to fix no audio output device is installed error in Windows. For this first step, update the audio drivers in Device Manager. For this, open up Device Manager, click Sound, Video, and Game Controller, and update the drivers. It depends on you. It may vary for PC to PC, so depends on you. You can update it. Which drivers are using? You can update the drivers. Once complete after, can close it and come to next step. Run the window audio troubleshoot settings. For this, click settings, click system settings, scroll down and search for troubleshoot settings. Click it and click other troubleshoot. In this, you need to click audio, click run, and follow the on-screen instruction and apply any recommended fixes. You need to follow the instruction and need to apply it. After that, come to next step. Search for settings, click Windows Update, and make sure you should be up to date. If there is any download or installation pending having means you need to download and install it and make your Windows up to date. And come to settings, system settings, recovery settings, reset this PC. If none of the things are not working means last and final thing need to reset the PC. It depends on you. You can keep my files or else remove everything. Depends on the instruction you can do it. Thank you.